Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are looking at the Home Zone Living stainless steel wide recycle trash can. This is a 50-liter trash can, but it's split. It's got 30 liters on one side, 20 liters on the other. You can do trash and recycling or however you like to split it up, but it gives you two nice foot-operated compartments that allow you to separate your trash. So let's get into the box and see what we get. Now, as you can see inside, we've got covering padding with styrofoam on all sides of the trash can. So you know it's not gonna come all dented. And each of the corners I can see supported by thick cardboard pillars within the box to prevent any damage. So that's always something I appreciate. Nothing worse than getting a nice product that you're excited about receiving and then having it come damaged. So let's take off all of the protective stuff and see what's underneath. And there we have it. You can see it has the dual pedals below, lets you have that hands-free access to each side independently. That way you can only open the side that you're intending to open without opening the entire bin. No need to open up a stinky trash compartment when all you're trying to get to is your recycling. The operation is really quiet. Now both lids do close slowly and smoothly, and they have a stay open support, so that reduces noise, and the support itself allows you to perform cleanup functions and access the cans without having to open and close multiple times in quick succession. It has a sturdy outer shell. It's got that thicker brushed stainless steel that adds durability, but it also has a nice appearance. I prefer brushed stainless over a plain stainless steel. You don't see as much of the fingerprinting if you've ever had those kind of appliances that don't have the brushed finish. It does also have a built-in liner storage drawer, so a little side drawer that you can pull out that'll be able to store your 30R trash bags directly inside that compartment. You know, sometimes, and I've done this myself with other models of trash cans like this, try to leave myself some trash bags at the bottom of the can under the bag, and you end up using part of the space that's contained within. But also when you go to dump the can, your extra bags that are sitting at the bottom can kind of fall out. So having that size storage drawer for the clean bags is a really nice touch. The height with the lid closed is 25.83 inches, and the width is 20.47 inches. It is 15 3/4 of an inch deep. The height with the lid open is 38.58 inches. As far as the bucket size, I mentioned that this is a 50-liter trash can with a 30-liter side and a 20-liter side. What that translates into is an 8-gallon bucket and a 5-gallon bucket. So those are the two sizes of the buckets inside this trash can. Here we can see the instructions on how to use the stay open lid. So when you step on the pedal, you release the pedal and you allow the lid to fall halfway down. You hold the lid and then you gently push it backwards. So let's give that a try. Halfway down and then push it backwards. And now you see how it stays like that. Let's do it again on the other side. We let it fall down halfway and then push it backwards. And so now you can leave those open, say if you needed to clean around or you needed to have some prolonged access to be able to dump your trash. Now inside the can, you get a nice thank you note. That's always appreciated. And on this side, you get a pack of those 30R trash bags. So you don't have to worry the first time around when you're getting the Home Zone Living trash can set up, they're gonna give you those bags to start. On this side as well, when we open up this container, what you'll find is a charcoal pad in there. And these are a great odor eating solution, and they're replaceable just behind this little grating. So really nice touch to cut down on any of the odors that may come from the can. Let's go ahead and look at the side storage component. These just close nicely on their own. Really nice, soft close. Well done. Now here at the bottom, you can see that storage drawer. The drawer comes all the way out. It does have a notch on the end, which will prevent it from coming out during regular use. And it does kind of snap in, so it won't just fall out. Now let's go ahead and put our bags in there. So these are the ones they came with. And it's a nice fit there. And it closes up just like that. Now let's go ahead and move this around to the back of the trash can, and we can see there's a nice carrying handle here. So if you need to move the can, it becomes very easy to do so. And the placement is just right. You know, if you place the handle too low, you end up kind of bearing the weight of too much of the can. And if you place it too high, it becomes flimsy next to the top portion here. Here, it still has a nice reinforcement of metal above it, and it's positioned in such a way that it creates a sort of fulcrum around your hand when you lift it. So really nice placement there. Now, as we get inside, we can take a look at the cans themselves. So this is the smaller can for recycling. It is made of a pretty thick material, so I'll let you look down. And it has a nice rim on the top, which adds to the strength of it. So sometimes with brands, you'll get really flimsy trash cans. This, you can see, if I pull on it, it doesn't really move or distort in shape. It also has those nice circles there, and I'll show you on the larger can as well, designed the same way, but it has these, you can see these circles here. And this, I think, it does two really nice functions. One, of course, it gives you a place to hold when you're dumping the can or picking up the can, but it also allows air to escape when you're putting a bag in. So you don't end up with a lot of that issue around the bag kind of having to be forced down because there's air under it. It has a place to escape. And they've done that by adding those air holes also on the bottom for you. So really nice, thoughtful touch on this can. It really does have all the features that one would want in a trash can of this style. It has the niceties about the air holes to prevent the suctions, the holes to allow you to more easily lift the cans, the charcoal odor eaters, the bag storage, the soft close function on the flaps, the easy keep open function of this stopper there that allows you to leave it open if you want to. And the operation is very, very smooth, aside from the aesthetics of the brushed metal and the nice appearance. So overall, I think Home Zone Living has done a great job with this dual compartment trash can. Definitely a nice option for your home trash can. As always, I appreciate you for tuning in to my reviews. Please don't forget to hit that like button for this Home Zone Living trash can review. Thanks again. Bye.